This is a video describing some storyboarding I've done for a Botanical Garden VR experience. I started out with just a couple of sketches, kind of a storyboard in the Nebo app. And you can see here you start in a splash screen. It shows 3 continents so that you can decide which garden to go see or which set of plants. If you select North America, you might come to a screen like this where you see different kinds of plants, and by selecting one with your controller, you would then go learn more about that particular plant, maybe seeing different life stages, the flower versus the whole plant, and so on. So I then moved on to some paper prototyping and iterated first with that screen that had the ability to select a continent, so you can navigate into a particular area. You can see I'm using the 360 paper template. You can see I've done some different globes of different sizes to experiment with perspective, and I decided this was actually a good kind of way to, the other continents are not at 90 degrees, but maybe about 45. And I'll try to show these in the Proto AR app, or whatever it's called. Then if you selected, let's say you actually got as far as down navigated to California, you could see 3 paper cutouts with a gold California poppy kind of in the foreground, princess flower in the middle ground to the viewer, to your left, and then a California redwood. It's supposed to be back and very tall. And the idea is then if you selected one of those plants, let's say you selected the princess flower, it would come to its own screen here, right in the foreground, and you'd have different interactions. But I was also trying to think, would it be nicer if you could somehow put it in an environment? I don't know. So it's in the foreground of this. This is just one of the sketches that was provided by the instructor. Thank you. And I think now what I'm going to do is actually try to do some, put these through the 360 Proto app and see what they look like.